We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
You filling my boy up. Fill him up. What's up? How much?
Not been 11.
Alright. Yep. Got ice guy out here. It is. My guy restocked up all the ice. Now we Gucci on the ice. I ain't had to pay no price. Yeah, I'm just trying to live my life. Yeah, I gotta be strong and put up a fight. Ice guy gone. But what's good, gang? What's good, LD squad? It's your boy, LaDarren. Welcome back to another vlog today. Welcome back to another video tonight. It's nighttime. It's the right time. And I'm waiting on daytime so I can get out this mug. It's 1 o'clock on the dot. Yeah, man, so y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. It's here. Boy! Dude, we got a fucking customer. My boy want that Bud Light. Bud Light and 2 swishes. Let me see if these the right ones he want, though. Talking about these?
Give me a whole pack, an 8-pack.
Alright. Boy want that 8-pack. This pack right here. Alright, y'all. So yeah, before I got interrupted by the customer. Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the night shift. Graveyard shift. That's what I'm on. So I forgot what I was finna talk about, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But how y'all day go, man? How yesterday go for y'all? You know what I'm saying? How everything been going for y'all? Took a day off from yesterday, so I ain't come in yesterday. Now I'm back today. New day. You know what I'm saying? I gotta keep grinding. You know what I'm saying? I know I've been uploading the same types of content, you know. But I got some more other stuff cooking up soon. You know what I'm saying? I just, it's already bad enough. I'm not even capping to y'all. I don't even vlog every day like how I should anyway. You know what I'm saying? Every day I come here, I should be vlogging. You know what I'm saying? But I don't do it. So I'm like, fuck it, let's go tonight. Let's do it tonight. Let's get a vlog in tonight. So, like, bro, where the fuck all these people come from, bro? Like, motherfuckers be coming out of nowhere, bro. Go ahead and get this dude up out the way. What's up? 13. My boy finna get it in. He about to get it in. My boy finna get it in. This motherfucker the play about the buzz ball. My boy finna get it in, man. She just want a 6'6". No problem, bro. I like that Jurassic Park thing, bro. You said what?
Swishers?
The regular ones?
Regular.
Alright. You got to get my guy the Sunny water. Hey bro, I swear, talking with a mask on and with a mask off, it's a big difference. So I'm finna get my guy the Sunny water. You know what I'm saying? 2 for $3.75. Please, I'm see if I get this right. Oh, let me cancel it. Let me cancel this Swisher because my guy went to Swisher. What did I do with the Swisher? Oh, I think I dropped it in the what's name. Alright, so I'm gonna pay. No. With this item. No. Pay. No, where did I scan it? Again. $3.75. Oh, $3. I was way off. I need this Swisher. Hold on. Go back one more time. Dude is here. You know what I'm saying? He dropping off the Krispy Kreme donuts in an Enterprise truck. You know what I'm saying? Big Enterprise truck. Boy, about to get up out of here. All right, my guy. Thanks for the donuts, G.
No problem. Here you go, G.
Tell you, bro. I ain't gonna cap to you, bro. Last time the chocolate ones was dookie, but I'll take.
Yeah, which one, bro?
The chocolate ones
With
in the cup, bro.
Oh yeah, they were dog shit.
Yeah, those was trash. But yeah, I'll take fucking 2 of the glaze.
Yeah,
or
as many as you want, bro. I fuck with the maples. I fuck with the chocolate. I don't fuck with the. Bro, I fuck with the maples. I fuck with the chocolate. I don't fuck with the.
For sure, I'll fuck with the maple. No, that one sucks ass. It's hard as a bitch. It's kind of hard too, but. You said this is chocolate?
Yeah.
These more salty.
Yeah.
I'm not making one next time, bro. I'll fuck with them, bro.
Yeah, I don't know about those. If you fuck with the cream.
Nah, I'll fuck with those.
Nah.
Bro. Last time, bro. Look, crazy ass story before you leave, bro. I was fucking getting something right now, like 3 days ago, and I don't know why, but the glaze sign confused me, had me thinking it was those.
Oh.
But they had the fucking chocolate on it. I'm just like, all right, so they glaze and they have chocolate on there, but I didn't know they had the cream filling.
Yeah.
But the sign said glaze, so I was like, oh fuck.
Yeah, probably like whoever put it there fucked up.
Yeah, but nah, you good, bro.
Yeah, we're chilling, bro.
But either way, those shit's good though, bro. I just eat around them, and then if I'm feeling good, I'll fuck over the cream inside.
Yeah, I feel it, bro. Same thing, bro.
All right, bro. You have a good one, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Take it easy.
Yeah, you too. Yo, shout out to the Krispy Kreme delivery truck ride. God, my dude, cool as shit. Yo, bro, good looks, bro. Good looks. Yeah, my boy chillin' shit. He gave me 3 donuts, man. He just dropped off a fresh batch of donuts. You know what I'm saying? Glaze, which is one of these chocolate covered, one chocolate covered filled. Let me show y'all. Shout out to my guy, original glaze, chocolate ice cream filled. And those bunkers, and these bunkers. Last time, my guy, as I just explained to y'all, as I was explaining to him, I told him the last batch that he, like the batch that he had, that he let me like half, shit was butt. I still got this donut in my hand. Fat ass. Hey, I just watched the clip, y'all. Oh, what the fuck? The fuck did the staplers fall? Oh, bro, I just watched the clip, bro. What we was talking about. My bad, y'all, if I ain't like show the everything, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just heard the conversation. But I just be so focused on talking. Once I talk, I forget about I'm even recording, you know? I'm even got the camera on. I don't know, that's just weird, but I'm gonna start working on that, man. But that was funny though. That was funny. Shout out to the donut dude, man. I didn't get his name. I should have asked for his name. But I know I'm gonna see dude again. Hopefully, this is my second time seeing him, so third time I see bro again, I'm gonna get his name. But that dude is chill as shit, man. Shout out to that dude. All right, y'all. So it's like 4:40. It's 4:40, and almost fell asleep for a second, man. Good thing like 2 customers just came, cause I almost really fell asleep in the back there in the office. But at this point, my brain's so dead, I forgot to even talk about it to y'all. Floor in a minute, there with my bucket over there. All right. All right, y'all, so finally out that bitch. Excuse my language, but I'm out that joint now, man, you know what I'm saying? Freaking tired, ready to go to sleep. Gotta come back here again tonight. So, I don't think I made the video off, but it's a new day, so I'm gonna see y'all later on today. If y'all enjoyed this part of the video, make sure you hit the like button. But I'm gonna see y'all later today, man. I'm finna get some rest in once I get there. Y'all enjoy y'all day, man. Peace.